everybody. Good morning from Naples. Naples, Italy, look at that. How good is that? Got here this morning about 7:15. We've just docked and it is just spectacular. Just amazing. We've had breakfast already, room service. I ordered up for about 6:30 this morning and it was bang on the dot, so fantastic. And today is going to be great because we've got an excursion. We're going to see the ancient ruins of Pompeii, so looking forward to that. Should be just awesome. So come along for the ride, it's going to be a good one. I'll just pan around a little bit. Might be in the sun a little bit here, but I just want to show you what's behind us. There it is. Look at that big ugly thing. That is Odyssey of the Seas. It is huge. It's not ugly, it's actually really beautiful, but to me it's ugly because it's just so big. But look at that. Port of Naples. Now right from the port here you can see historic things already. There's a fort in the background, the castle, right on the dock. So it's just brilliant. So yep, come along and join me on an excursion up to the ruins of Pompeii. That will be just amazing. So looking forward to this. Third to last day of a 13-day trip. 15-day trip actually, so yeah, 12-day cruise, but you know, we're winding down, but oh, this is something I've been so looking forward to. So come along, it's going to be a good one.
Fascinating to make a new underground because of the tube and because in the underground archaeologists found 2 Roman boats, so it means that the Greek and Roman port was a little bit inland compared with the new one, and they found remains of a mosaic of a bathhouse. We call it Lucullus house. I don't know if you ever heard about him. Have you ever heard about Lucullus? Statistic interrupted 40 times. Okay, 40, but never with toxic gases. The only time it was during Roman times. And statistic by your own private public coaches, you can drive, or they could drive, up to 3,000 feet. Later, when you're really young, it takes no more 25 minutes walk to hike. Because we're living on an atomic bomb, I said, tremors. So he was really scared about tremors, tremblings. That's why he gave a charge to an architect. He was called Fuca, who built for him the first whirling. Over the top by the statue, okay? They were called Oceans, and Pompeii was called Pompe. Pompe means 5 tribes, so just 5 tribes on the top of it. Next, we have Greeks, not aggressive. So once they came, they mixed it up. So we can say Pompeii was the first example of a native culture. It was 300 years BC. Next, we have Samnites. They are restoring the facade of a beautiful building. I don't know if you ever heard, but Pompeii was bombarded during the World War II.
Yeah.
Have you heard about that?
No.
We lost 100 buildings, all frescoes gone, a museum was gone. The excuse was that nearby there was an hotel where Germans they were staying. So no Germans bombarded us, but the Allies. Thank God it's not Americans this time. What are Americans? Not Americans, thank you. But Canadians and British So if we have Canadians or British between us, it's not your fault. Okay? But was also called Post Shannon. Post means behind, Shannon means theater. Because this is the Greek theater. Huh? 5,000 spectators, comedies and tragedies for Greeks, dramas only for Romans. Guess why? Theater. It's this one on the right. Just waiting a couple of minutes because we're going to see the picture of the great one.
Et trois noms que j'ai trouvés sur ce fameux pouvoir de mer.
I remember this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That people that could sit on the chapter side, small side, one chair. It's just the beginning. Proud of him, okay? In a house, we found carved the gladiator's name, the winner, and the loser as well. Which is your room in your... And making me one, and I'm winning, because you can't win. And my... A little bit higher compared with the stepping stone, linked by an iron bar. Imagine donkeys, and the chariot drove over. So we have the way up, the way down. But if you're wealthy, you can rent for a Mercedes. Because by Sardinia, 35 years ago, archaeologists, divers, they found the Roman boat sank. And not charged with the end bottle with descriptions garden from Pompeii. So it means that they were exporting garden to the south of France. Sardinia. Slaves, donkeys, they were parting on them, getting them on the main stuff, and later they're going to bread. Look in this one. Archaeologists found 80 connected to the land used by others.
Probably in that case they had to. You know what guys want to say?
Just need some water, just to thin one out.
White, because 15 minutes later, a sort of white canvas, they came. They were so sweet, like candies, nice. Because the wealthy people, they still have cakes. They use cheese to make it. Cheesecake. Just the wealthy people could taste sweet food. The poor people, they couldn't. That's why sometimes. And that's why it's all oriented to the west.
We're hopping it, eh? Hmm?
try to breathe the last portion. Once back home, he said just for the shine thing. Very good. Another beautiful because you have a lot of different layers of lines. The last one should be very wet. Where actually the top of the Mount Vesuvius in the cloud.
Mm.
This time, even the roof was made of marble. That's the remains of the roof. And so we will.
Musical eating.